Biotin doesn't work. Expensive shampoos don't work. Even hormone treatments fall short for hair loss. If you're a woman over 40 struggling with hair loss, you've probably tried everything, but nothing seems to work. Why? Because most of what we've been told about hair loss is only part of the truth. Today I'm going to tell you what actually works, and it's not another gimmick. It's backed by science, proven in real patients, and something you can start doing today. And no, it's not minoxidil, it's not a magic pill, and it's not just bad genetics. Let me break this down. I want you to know that hair loss doesn't have to be permanent. It's not just about the hair, it's about your health. And most of the time it's a sign that something else is going on in your body, and only one supplement or a shampoo is not enough. I'm Misti Barnes, a trichologist and hair loss expert. I've spent the last 7 years of my career treating women over 40 with hair loss. I see this every day. And what's worse is the frustration and dismissal women get. Have you ever had a doctor tell you, well, hair loss isn't a big deal, it happens to everyone as they age? In fact, tell me in the comments section what your doctor may have said to dismiss you. I actually read them, and I'd love to hear from you. But you're not doomed with hair loss. It's just not just a part of aging. And today I'm going to tell you about one of the best ways to treat topically the problem. And it is scientifically proven to work. Most hair loss treatments miss a very important thing, and that's stimulating the hair follicle and circulation. Because hair doesn't grow in isolation. So if your scalp isn't getting the right nutrients and circulation, the cellular cells will not grow. So what actually works? Let's talk about what I've seen make the most difference for my clients. And these are all things that you can do at home. Sometimes it boils down to scalp circulation. The follicles need oxygen and nutrients, and without proper blood flow, they can't thrive. I'm sure you've heard of microneedling, and I don't necessarily recommend derma rollers or micro rollers because they tend to tear the skin and will create scar tissue over time. I use something called a derma stamp. This is a derma stamp, and I use it with peptides. You're probably familiar with peptides, and I don't want to get too nerdy on you, but they're small protein chains that are signalers. If your body was a city and you had small messenger carriers, that's what a peptide would be. So they rush to the follicles and they say, wake up, start growing. They also deliver the signals to the hair so it will be healthy and happy. Peptides are small, but they play a big role in what keeps your hair strong. When you combine the derma stamp with the peptides, it's a great combination. And these are the peptides that I use. It's my product. I'm not shilling for you, but this is what I use and I think really works. And what you want to do is get it into the hair and just kind of work it around where the hair loss is. Again, you don't want to be too deep because you don't want to be too aggressive, because if you apply it lightly with light pressure, that will help. It'll open the microchannels and send the peptides to signal. I know you want to do it correctly, and if you buy the products from me, you can see them below in the description. I'll give you a 15-minute free session and talk about your hair loss. These are all clinically trialed. They don't use medication or any drugs, but it is a natural, non-GMO, vegan way to treat your hair loss. Also, make sure that when you use the derma stamp that you clean it with alcohol every time before and after, because you don't want to get a bunch of gunk and dead skin in there. That's really gross and bad for you. I want you to have a good experience with this, so this is one of the things that you can do to help with hair loss, and we're going to talk about more of them in future videos, things like how a clogged scalp can actually make hair loss worse. So if you're struggling with hair loss, you're not crazy and you don't have to do it alone, and I know that it's really devastating to women, but there are solutions, and you need to have an understanding of what's happening inside your body and on your scalp. There are no quick fixes. It takes time, and yes, it's traumatic and it makes you feel out of control, but it's really important that you accept yourself as you are in the process, because stressing about it is not going to make it better.